In this video, I'm gonna walk through exactly how to replace your six-figure salary without starting over. And by the end, you'll see why the starting over part was never true in the first place. Because here's what actually stops people. It's not the six figures. People replace six-figure incomes doing all kinds of things. What stops them is the story that replacing it means going back to zero. A new skill, a new industry, years of being bad at something before you're good at it again. That story is completely wrong, and it's costing people years they don't get back. So let's get into how this actually works. Step 1, audit what you already know that's worth paying for. You didn't spend a decade or two in your corporate career without becoming genuinely excellent at something. Solving a specific kind of problem, navigating a specific kind of complexity, getting a specific kind of result other people struggle to get on their own. Most people skip this step entirely because it feels too obvious. Of course I know that. Everyone knows that. That's the curse of knowledge. They don't. You've had years of reps other people haven't had. Step 2, package that one thing into a single sellable offer. This is where starting over sneaks back in for a lot of people. They think packaging their expertise means building an entirely new business skill set from scratch. It doesn't. Taking what you know and that you already do well and describing it as a specific outcome for a specific person instead of a job title on a resume. So let me ask you something directly, because this is usually where most people self-sabotage. If replacing your income didn't require you to become someone new, if it just required you to finally charge for something you already know how to do, would you actually start today? Or does some part of you need it to be harder than that? Because it's really hard and requires starting over is a more comfortable story than I've had what I needed for years and just hadn't packaged it yet. Let me show you what it looks like when someone actually does this. I worked with a client named Rachel, who's a great example of exactly this. She came to me not knowing her niche, her pricing, or even what her offer was. In a couple of weeks, not months, I mean weeks, she got clear on her ideal client and structured a coaching program around results she'd already knew how to produce. She didn't learn a new industry. She didn't go back to school. She simply did 6 market research interviews with people in her own network just to listen. And from those conversations, enrolled 4 clients at $3,000 each. That's $12,000 before she built a website or posted a single piece of content. That was proof. Not that she'd started over, proof that what she already knew was worth paying for. 12 months later, she'd fully replaced the income from a job that had been draining her for years. Step 3, price it like it's worth what it's worth, not like you're new at this. This is the step people get most wrong because pricing low feels safer when you're used to thinking of yourself as a beginner in this new business identity. But you're not a beginner at the thing you're selling. You're an expert, charging for expertise you already have. So let's make that concrete. Say your corporate salary is $150K a year. It's about $12,500 a month. At Rachel's price point of $3,000 a client, replacing that income only takes about 4 clients a month, not 40, 4. The math changes completely the moment you stop pricing like a beginner. Step 4, go to the people who already know you're good at this. Your first clients aren't completely strangers on the internet. They're former colleagues, people you've worked alongside, people who've already seen the exact expertise you're now packaging. You're not building an audience from zero. You're activating trust you already built over the years in a new direction. Step 5, and this is the part that undoes the whole myth starting over was never actually true. You're not starting over. You're transferring something you already built, your expertise, credibility, and results into a new container. The only thing that's actually new is the container. Everything inside it you already have. So that's how you replace a six-figure salary without starting over, because you were never actually going to start over. You audit what you already know, package it into one offer, price it like the expert you already are, go to the people who already trust you, and let go of the myth that was never true to begin with. What's the one thing you already know how to do that you've never once considered charging for directly? Tell me in the comments below because I read every one. And if this is where you're at, subscribe to my channel because I break down exactly how to package this every single week. And if you're ready to build a coaching business to replace your income, then make sure to check out my free online course that reveals the exact 7-step roadmap to starting a profitable coaching business and enrolling your first paying client in the next 30 days. Click up here to watch the free course now. My name is Peter Scott, reminding you to be here, act now, and fear less.